Hello, it's me again. It's us again. ANS Shenanigans. And I'm looking forward to the day when these videos of gaming can be uploaded to another channel. But it's not this one. Because this channel is more animation based. I won't mind. Alus Almiguels is almost dead. There's like, thanks for the few people keeping it alive, just in a small channel's terms. But like, it gets like almost no views. Alus Almiguels, it's just not. Was I not supposed to do that? Open up! Oh. Alright. What is this even supposed to do? Am I supposed to just take this out of here? Well, I don't remember. It was a long time, but a few months when I finished Half-Life. I can't remember what I was supposed to do. What is this made for? Oh well. Why did I even do that? It's literally already. It's already okay, right? Oh wow! I did not see that. Probably should have. Oh, the canal! Now we die. Be gone. Yes.
I wouldn't believe it if I couldn't see with my own eyes. Dr. Gordon Freeman himself.
When the channel for the gaming videos, also known as my channel that does not exist yet. There's 3 people that own this very channel, and I'm one of them, and I am the one that animates the MP. Alus Almiguels, voices Alu, and those gaming videos. I'm not sure why they don't post, but we are in teamwork, and without them using TNT, would that have been possible? Red Dead Redemption could be seen. Well, it will be seen when that channel is
Here, take a look at
available.
this. This here's the dam. It's just up ahead. Eli's hideout is here, a stone's throw from the apron and nestled in the old hydro plant. But getting there, with that hunter chopper on your ass, next to impossible.
Alright.
Good news is, the Vortigaunt's working his magic on your airboat, so you'll have a little more firepower going forward. I think he's just finishing up now. Go on out.
Get me the whatever. The airboat gun.
There we are. Came on one of the same hunter choppers that you're up against. That was like chopper down, and you should be able to tear on through to Eli's place. Very well, Dr. Freeman.
Yes, yes. Go to hell! Boom! Are you serious? This is the damn first time you're running. You are. Open the door. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Come on. I forgot. What am I? Oh, the airboat here. Have I actually lost all my income? I'm looking forward to going to Ravenholm. Oh no! Oh boom! This is actually pretty good for a game that was made. This is actually pretty good for a game that was made in 2004. Oh! screenshot it. How the hell did I even end up here? What even was that? Ow. Three more playing alone. 3. I don't know who's come up or not. Ow! Ow! Damn, relax! I guess I'm the right guy for the job. Oh yeah! Ow, ow, ow! Well, very pro gameplay. I can't remember what I was supposed to do, but I know one thing. Ah! Oh! Ow! Get lost! I suppose I am the one getting lost here. Ah! Oh, there's 2! Oh no. Blue douchebag. Oh! Die! Finally, a piece of wire. What else to do? Let's get through. No! There's a passage road. I was supposed to find a way. For the one room. No. All of this will be unedited footage, cause making one Half-Life video is literally easier than making... Oh yeah! It's easier than making one War Thunder shorts video. Because of that, you have to edit the video to make it short and get a great clip. Also, because War Thunder does not allow you to do it like that, you have to screen record it to get it. And that's the problem. That's why they are very scarce. I'm really waiting for Fiat to be reanimated they're all spiked. Get out, co-pilot. Oh! and that kills me. One kills me. Are you serious? Alright, thanks for the health drop, I guess. I guess I could make one. There's a Spitfire flew into me and crashed on multiple planes. I guess that could be a rough moment. Why chill? You don't need that much many guns, bro. Honestly, it's not out. Oh no! Die! Oh no! Oh! Chill! Now get me out of here. Stay on. Muy Ow! I'm turning off. Boing, boing. Oh! Hello, chill guy. Chill boy. Oh, this is a wall. Oh. Alright, checkpoint. Pyrpyn, patabiin, orviiviilarilla. Boy! Damn myself! Please. It's not even that steep! Oh, this is going to take a while. Just skip a few 20 seconds to the future. Like right about now. If you're here from the 20 seconds, just wait for another 10. You should have skipped here. Now let's roll over the hard part. Okay, I'll try. Can I get you here? Oh, I can get there now. Alright. I don't use kickbox because kickbox sends you to lakkoskellari, and I would not like to go there. Alright, that's it for today. If you would like to see more of this Half-Life gaming series on my channel, make sure to subscribe, like and subscribe. I'm not a beggar, but please, it will help out a lot. Well, bye.